Hey there, it's Melissa from Group Ties. Hope you are having a fabulous day. Today I'm going to teach you how to add group experts to your group or making members of your group an expert. Now, why would you want to do this? So typically you'd want to do this because someone's super active in the group and they're known for expertise in something, and their expertise may just be in the group. It might not be like, that person's an expert in cars, or that person's an expert in houses, or whatever. It might just be that they're very knowledgeable in general about the content of the group, or they're super fantastic about giving good information in the group. So here's how to do it. You'll go to your group, of course, in Facebook, and then you're going to go to members. It looks like I was already in members. And so what you're going to do now is scroll down a little bit. You'll see the admins first, then you'll see the group experts, and you'll click add experts, right? And hopefully you have someone in mind you want to add, because you're going to search on their name. I actually do have someone. All right, it's Stephen Harlow. I am going to click add. There's going to be a request sent to that person because they may not want to be seen as an expert. Maybe, they don't want to be contacted about their expertise. So, they do have the ability to approve or disapprove this. And if they accept the role, they'll get that group expert badge. It says group expert next to their name. You can learn more here should you feel so inclined. So I'm going to click add expert, and it just says adding. And it says added. So and then down here, I've requested that he be an expert, and it's really up to him at that point to accept his expertise. So that's a really cool way, to recognize experts, frankly. And I hope that was helpful to you and helps you manage your group. To learn more about Facebook groups and managing them and monetizing them, that means making money from them and turning them into businesses, please check out my website, groupties.com. I have lots of freebies on the website and lots of good information in the blog. And if you're watching this on YouTube, I would love a like and a subscribe if you feel so inclined. All right, thanks guys. Have a great day. Happy Facebooking.